Hello everybody, welcome back to Naka's Kitchen. So today we're going to be doing mixed vegetables, or if you care, fried cabbage. So that's my cabbage already sliced. I'm just going to add some salt, and then I'm going to scrub it together, wash it, like scrub it together to take away the excess water from the cabbage. Sometimes I eat my cabbages just boiled like this. Some other time I need the water. You see, all of that water came out from the cabbage itself after washing it with salt, scrubbing it with my hands like that. And then I have my meat in the pot seasoned already, seasoning cubes, salt, white pepper, and onions, little bit of water. And then these are my vegetables. I'm going to be using this long green pepper, the bell pepper, the string beans, and some carrots. So that's after prepping them. Now I removed all the things, the seeds inside, just cutting them and prepping them. I'm just going to slice them or dice them in desired shapes and sizes. I love colors. You see the colors? That's what makes me to love this meal the most, these colors. And then I have my tomatoes, of course. I'm going to slice them as well. My onions are sliced already, and my garlic. I love the flavor of garlic. I just chopped my garlic. And then I have my celery there. I'm going to slice my celery as well. There we have it. And all my vegetables, my things are prepped. I'm going to blanch my carrot and string beans now in boiled water with salt and seasoning cube. There it is. And then in a pot, I have some oil, warm oil. I put my chopped garlic and my onions and just fry a little. After which I'm going to add my tomatoes. I'm going to add it there. I'm just going to fry for a while until it's dry. Then I'm going to add my beef and just there. That's my cabbage I'm adding. I've added some curry powder and some salt and seasoning cube to taste. That is frozen spring onions and basil. And then I'm putting in all my vegetables, as you can see there. At this point, I've turned off the stove already, so the only heat the vegetables are going to feel is the heat from the pot already. And you have that's the color. Thanks guys for watching. You can serve with plantains or sweet potatoes or any compliments of your choice. Thanks for watching guys. Please keep coming back. Hit the subscribe or the like or the follow button, and please keep coming back. Bye bye.